Previously, I created a video showing you how to fix this problem, but then many of the comments replied that the video was also dubbed into another language, so they couldn't understand the video that was supposed to teach them to change the language. Well, that kind of makes sense, but don't worry, because in today's video, I have English subtitles in this video here. So right now, even if you are hearing me in a foreign language, these English subs should fix your problems and guide you back to the English language. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, we'll talk about fixing your YouTube settings, which will all change to a foreign language. On your desktop, go to youtube.com and make sure you are signed in. Click on the profile picture on the top right. Scroll down until you see this icon here. It actually says display language, but I do understand if you are in a foreign language, you can't understand it. Just make sure to look for this icon, then click on it, and the list of languages you can change to will appear and you can click on it. On your mobile phone, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile picture on the bottom right and tap on the gear icon on the top right. Similarly to the desktop version, look for the icon that looks like this, which actually means languages. Tap on it. Then on the first option that says App Language, and it brings you to the phone's YouTube settings where you can change the preferred language here. There's also another language switching problem on YouTube, and this is video specific. So what happens is the video is automatically dubbed in another language. So if you want to change the language, here's how to do it. On any video that you are watching, click on the little gear icon on the bottom right corner of that video. Look for the icon that looks like this. It says audio track. Click on it and you can see that it was originally recorded in English. You can click on any of the languages to change it back to your native language. I hope today's subtitled video has managed to solve your mysterious language switching issues on YouTube. And hopefully now you are hearing me speak in English and no longer in some weird foreign language that you don't understand. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.